Hey everyone, if you want to apply for USA jobs using kickresume and don't know how to build the right resume, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a USA style resume in kickresume in 2026. First, go to kickresume and sign in. You can use Google or email to access your account quickly. Next, choose a clean USA style resume template. I mean, American resumes are usually simple, professional, and easy to read. Now add your contact details in proper US format. Include your full name, phone number, professional email, and your location like city and state. Next, write a strong professional summary. I mean, mention your job title, experience level, and key skills in just a few lines. Then add your work experience. In USA resumes, always focus on achievements and results, not just daily tasks. Next, add your education and skills. I mean, keep everything relevant to the job you are applying for in the USA. Try to keep your resume to one page if possible. Also make it ATS-friendly by using simple keywords that employers can scan easily. So yeah, that's how you create a USA job resume in kickresume. Follow each step carefully, and you can apply confidently to American companies. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.